ball. Ball possession, Team Cebu. Number 5. Stops to number 6 for 3. No. Rebound for the Team Manila. Number 7 to number 18. Number 12. Braga pass to number 7. Drives inside, left-handed lace. That's good. Here comes Team Cebu. Number 5. Pass back to number 12. Number 7. Behind the back three ball. Drives. Jump shot. Bullseye. Ties game. Session for Team Manila. Rocket bounce pass. Pass to number 4. Pascual. Pascual goes to the screen. Bump. Spins. Kicks it out. Fires a 3. Short. Rebound for Team Cebu. Number 6. Stops. Pull up J. Bullseye. Rocket. Stops and pass to the middle. Braga dinakdak sa pit na. And here's number 5. Dancing at the floor. Stops. 4-3. Short. Rebound para dito sa Team Manila. Side step, lace. That's good. Rocket. 14-second shot clock sa gitna. The lace. That's good. Rocket. Naagawan ni number 5 for Team Cebu. The lace. Another one. Back to. Shot clock. Pass spins. Lace. Easy to. Aguas. And 1 point lead for Team Cebu. No. Follow-up shot. That's good. And 2 point lead now for Team Manila. Number 14, De La Torre. Corner pass. Pigs. De La Torre. Lost the handle. Stolen. And the pass. 1-on-1. Lace. That's good. Number 4. Bump. Inside pass. Libre si De La Torre. And here's number 13. Bounce pass to the middle. And pass to the middle. Braga. Corner pass. 4-3. No. Rebound para sa Team Cebu. Inside pass. Picks. Oh, what a fake and what a finish. Number 16. Banwa inbounding. Pass to number 10. Suiko. Inside pass. Number 7. Attacks. Blair rejected. Here comes number 13. Pass to the corner for 3. Bang! 3 points. Inside. Lace. Basket is good. Aguas. Number 7. The long pass. The lace. Ang laki mong mahama. Braga. Number 10. Here's number 14, De La Torre. Pass it to the middle. That's Magbanwa. Magbanwa goes to the screen. Stop. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Aguas. Straight to the hoops. That's good. Here's number 4. Magbanwa, the bounce pass. Number 14, De La Torre. The drives. Less rejected by 10. Stolen by De La Torre. De La Torre. Umaasinta. To the middle, the fix. The drives. Rejected again. Not in my... The attack. Soto inside pass. Fix. Clutch. Power of the window. Basket is good. And here you go. Team Manila, number 12. Ginugulo ni Magbanwa. Number 6. Bual dribbling at the top. Pass to the corner. Inside pass. Aguas. Floater shot. Ooh. No basket. Sayang naman. And the pass break. Sakto kay De La Torre. Easy to De La Torre. Pa dito ng Cebu. Magbanwa. Bounce pass. Inside pass, sakto yung pasa. Ooh, the follow-up shot saves the super. Inbounding to number 10. It's against Aguas. Pull-up jumper in front of him. That's good. Pass to number 7. He stops, pass it back. Here Aguas, corner, inside pass to Braga. In hook shot lang. Inside pass, Magbanwa, ball stolen. Number 7, the side step, the kicks out, open, fires at 3, short. And the pass break, Magbanwa against number 12, top shot off the window, bang shot is good. Here's number 18, Aguas, the bounce pass is stolen. Magbanwa again, back-to-back 2 points, Magbanwa. 32-31, oh, stolen again, Magbanwa, grabe ka, Magbanwa, the lace, basket is good. And 3-point lead for Team Cebu, almost stolen again. Number 7, straight to the hoops. Roque, completing the 3-point play. It's good. And here's number 10, kicks out. That drives the lace. No. Fight for the rebound. That's Braga for the rebound. And in the high, oh, pinaibitin pa. Oh, that's good, Pascual. And the pass break, number 10, Jumeli pa, mag-isa. That's good. And to the middle. Inside pass, fires off the window, Aguas with the finish. And 52-42 score. 10-point lead for Team Manila. De La Torre with the leader. It's against Aguas. Behind the back dribble. Cross-court pass. Here's number 6, Cuyos. Cuyos, the drives. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye. And here's Team Manila. Aguas. Pass it to number 13, Panganiban. Setting the play. To the middle. Aguas kicks out. Another pass is stolen by Magbanwa. The bump, the lace, left-handed, won't go. Rebound for Team Manila. Straight to the hoops, lace, no. Fight for the rebound. Ang laki mo, Braga, with a finish. Bound. Pass to number 5, Chua. Chua to the middle. Pass back to Chua. Chua, the drives, the floater, bullseye. And high pass. Here's number 7. Minegos pa sa taas. Grabe ka, Roque. And the pass. And post up. Number 7. Kicks it out. Pull up jumper at the corner. That's good. Here comes number 10. Decided to take it easy. Here's number 16. Spins. Ball stolen by Bual. Bual to the hoops. Easy to. Here's number 1. Number 4, Magbanwa. Pass it to the right wings. Suiko. Step back. What a move! Kobe! And it's Bual. Bual against Magbanwa. Bual. Stops and pass. Here's Roque. Kicks it out. Bual. Bump against Magbanwa. Goes to the screen by Braga. Attacks the lace. No. Fight for the rebound. Hook pass. And the pass. Soto with the lace off the glass. That's good. And the pass. Roque. The drives, the lace, and that's good. Nwa. Pass to the corner, Chua. Soto. Natapikan. And here's number 7 with the recover. Suiko. Number 7, the drives. Pike, rejected. And here's Bual. Bual, bounce pass. Lace, Jumeli pa. Roque. Bual. Pass it to Roque. Roque against Chua. The drive stolen. Here comes Magbanwal, the pass. Suiko, left-handed lace. That's good. Here is Suiko. Suiko cross the mid lane. Goes to the screen. He stops looking for the receiver. Chua the receiver. Corner pass. And a pass to the middle. 4-3. Suiko. Bang! 3 points. Suiko. Okay. Sa kabila ka daw, sabi ni Bual. Stops. Pass to the middle. And here's number 7. Roque. Pass to Bual. Bual for 3. No. Rebound para sa Team Cebu. Suiko. Suiko. Inside pass ang kantang pasa. And that's good. Down to 3-point lead. Bual. The pass to the middle. Aguas. Aguas. Pass to Bual. Bual asking for the pick. Bual. Aguas for 3. Bang! 3 points.
Final score
65-59
for the win.